How to contact Bitget Help Center contact. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Bitget Help Center. You will then see a bunch of links. Tap on the very first link you see there. In the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view various options related to most recent searches. See if the query that you are looking forward to is there or not. If not, you can also tap on View More to see the remaining topics. Simply tap on the topic and go through the article that appears and see if that fixes your issue or not. If not, you can also tap on the robot-like icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Further, tap on the online customer service option, and with this you will be able to make live chat with Bitget bot, which will further help you fix your issue. So, this is how you can contact Bitget Help Center. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.